Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a superfood that's been making waves in the health community. Flax seeds, are they really as beneficial as people say? Let's find out, and stick around for our 14-day challenge at the end. First things first, what exactly are flax seeds? These tiny brown or golden seeds come from the flax plant and are packed with nutrients. They're a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. But what do all these mean for your health? Let's break it down. Here are some amazing health benefits of incorporating flax seeds into your diet. Heart health. Flax seeds are known to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive aid. The high fiber content helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and can prevent constipation. Weight management. Flax seeds can help you feel full longer, which may aid in weight loss efforts. Anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds help reduce inflammation, which is great for overall health. Hormonal balance. They can help balance hormones, especially in women, thanks to phytoestrogens. Skin health. The antioxidants in flax seeds can improve skin hydration and reduce acne. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that flax seeds may lower the risk of certain cancers, like breast and prostate cancer. Now you might be wondering, how can I incorporate flax seeds into my daily routine? Here are a few easy ways. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds for a nutrient boost. Baking. Mix them into muffins, bread, or pancakes. Oatmeal. Stir them into your morning oatmeal for extra fiber. Salads. Sprinkle whole or ground flax seeds on your salads for a nice crunch. Now for the fun part, our 14-day flaxseed challenge. Here's what you need to do. Start small. Begin with 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds each day. Experiment. Try different recipes, smoothies, salads, baked goods. Get creative. Track your progress. Keep a journal of how you feel each day. Are you more energized? Are your digestion issues improving? Share your journey. Use the hashtag #FlaxSeedChallenge and share your progress with us on social media. We can't wait to see your delicious creations. Upcoming health tips and challenges. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.